How to get glass liquid icons on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. iOS 26 now allows users to use the glass liquid icons. So if you want the glass liquid icons, then tap hold on your home screen and then tap on the edit button once the apps starts to jiggle. Now, you will see the customize option there in the menu that appears. So tap on the customize option and further, you will see the clear option there. And with this, as you can see, the liquid glass icons are now available on your screen. However, if you want to go back to your default icons, then you can simply tap on the default icon option you see there, or if you want dark icons, you can tap on the dark option, or if you want tinted option, then you can also tap on the tinted option. For now, in order to get your glass liquid icon, tap on the clear option you see there. So this is how you can get liquid glass icons on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.